stuff you have been waiting for a long time. What this thing costs without any carbon fiber. Just gotta pick it up, move it out of the way, you know? Here we go, we're moving. Our original idea on how to get it in the building didn't work out. The machine's too wide. So our new idea is to use these rigging straps. Try to pick it up, set it on the wood, put the feet on the bottom of it, and then put the machine on skates and move it into the building. And then once it's in the building, pick it up again, take the skates out, and set it in place. But it's going to be interesting with the skates because there's already metal pads on the floor, so I'm not sure how the skates are going to get around those. So that will be interesting. So as we were laying that machine on the ground, I have a pretty good eye for dimensions, and I'm like, there's no way those feet are going to line up. So that, after putting a tape measure on it, one of them's off like 16 inches. So it's not like it's close, but at least the width's right. So at least that part's good. But so apparently the drawing they sent me is for a different machine. So we'll get a handle. Off to Lowe's we go to get some anchors.
We just got these front ones moved forward. We gotta smack those front anchors back in. And then these back middle two, got those popped up and cut out. So now we can re-anchor those and center them back up. We'll be good to go. Double check the rears, but should be good.
So here it is, our long-awaited Bodor P3 12 kilowatt fiber laser. We've been waiting on this fiber laser for months, probably since April. And it finally got here. It's been a long journey, but I'm hoping it's going to be well worth it. We still have a lot of projects left on it. We still have to mount the whole compressor system with the dryer and the 2 tanks. I'm going to make a mezzanine for it and actually put it on top of the unit to save some space. You can actually see the material here on the floor. We're actually going to start that tomorrow. I don't normally work with this type of material, but I'm using a real heavy wall I-beam because we are going to span about 138 inches. And I went with this thicker I-beam because to keep it short, to keep the overall clearance height to a minimum. But this is fun. This is something different. Where I'm normally a race car and hot rod fabricator, so this is like industrial type fab, so it'll be fun. I've already started some preliminary assembly on it. Started hanging the touch screen. I've already gone ahead and set the dust collector in place, and the transformer, and the other 2 power boxes, and the water cooler. So the electrician's going to come in and wire these in, and actually Bodor's going to send their crew to help me install this thing. But I'm just kind of doing some preliminary work to speed things up. I'm looking forward to seeing this thing run and seeing what it's going to do for the shop. We're going to have so many uses for this thing, between brackets on projects, our online parts catalog, growing that business, and also just being a job shop, actually hiring it out. So if anyone in the area has anything they need cut up to 2 inch thick, this machine's ready for the job. This is all new for us. We've got a lot of exciting car builds, other unique projects, getting this monster up and running. So please like and subscribe and support the channel, and thank you for watching. It's here.